Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today we have a Dollar Tree haul that I'm super excited to share with you all. But before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And that's about it, my friends. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the haul. We're gonna start with the exciting things because I love checking out the makeup aisle at Dollar Tree. By the way, let me know or give this video a like if you want me to film a future video testing out only Dollar Tree makeup, like a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. I would love to do that for you. But talking about makeup, let's start with the first item I found, and this is it. This is by LA Colors, and this is a highlight in the color Shine Bright. Juicy Jazz. I know I always talk about her on my channel, but she's literally like everything I watch, so I love her so much. And she mentioned this highlight right here in Ultimate Glow. She said it's the best highlight ever. So let's go ahead and see how good this is. It was only $1. This is what the little component looks like right here, and then you open this up and this is the highlight. You really get a really big pan right here. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, look at that swatch, guys. Wow. And there you have it swatched right here. That is so pretty. I love that. Is like so pretty and golden for only $1. It's the one right here. I previously filmed a video, so I have this swatch here, but how gorgeous is that? So pretty. I absolutely love it. I will be trying it out soon, so let me know if you want me to film that video for you all, but I just had to pick it up. There was another one in a rose gold color, but I went with the gold one because that's the one that she raved about all the time on her channel. So super cute little packaging. I really like it in the color Shine Bright. The next item I picked up was this product by Vaseline. It's just basically a lip balm just to hydrate your lips. It's like a lip therapy. So I went ahead and picked this up, only $1, and I was very excited to find this brand at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how much they're worth like at a regular store like Walmart or Target, but for $1 I could not pass it up. So the next item that I picked up was this Wet n Wild mascara, and I actually saw this in the color purple and I was intrigued. I don't have any colored mascaras, so I'm like, for $1, let's just try it out. This is the Lash Renegade mascara in the color purple, and it says it's smudge proof. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out one of these days, maybe do an all purple look or just like a pop of purple on the lashes. I'm not sure, but I wanted to try it out. It says it has like a fiber formula, so I'm not sure if it has little fibers in the mascara itself, but we will see. And I just thought it was a fun color for summer, so I went ahead and picked it up. I also picked up some lashes by LA Colors. These are in the name Delightful. I thought I would give these lashes a go. I was looking for the other ones. I think they're called Ione lashes that a lot of people haul on Dollar Tree hauls, but I've never found them myself. So I went with these, the LA Color ones. They're in the name Delightful. I'm not sure how good they're going to be, but we will try them out in a future video. And I thought they were very wispy and just very simple. So hopefully they're pretty good, but I went ahead and picked them up. Next up, I also picked up an eyelash curler because I saw Laura Lee talk about this specific eyelash curler in her channel. She mentioned how the Sassy Chic eyelash curlers are really good and they make your curl fantastic on your lashes. So I thought I would give it a go. So I saw them. I had not seen them in a long time at my Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and picked them up. Last two makeup products are by the brand Wet n Wild, and I found this little eyeshadow palette right here. This is the eyeshadow palette in the color Fire. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it is. So this is what the eyeshadows look like. How beautiful are those? They're like very metallic. Let me swatch this one right here. I'm very intrigued as to the pigmentation. So there we have the swatch right there, and let's swatch it. Ooh, they're nice. Look at that. There's a swatch right there. Let me try this burgundy one. All right, so there we have a little swatcheroo for those. I think these are very pretty. They kind of inspire me for a fall and autumn look. So I am very excited to use these in an upcoming video. They look perfect for fall. I know we're ways away from fall, but I just can't think of anything other than that when I see these colors all together. So I'm super excited to have been able to pick this up in the color Fire from Wet n Wild. Now, the last product is this limited edition Bronze Over the Rainbow highlighter. So this is what it looks like, and it has different little highlight colors in there. This is what the highlight looks like right here. You have all those beautiful shades. So let's go ahead and swatch them all together. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that swatch right there. I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs out there, but look at that beautiful swatch. It's swatched next to the LA Color one. This is more like of a rose gold champagne color. I love it. I was definitely not going to use one of each. I was definitely going to swirl it, and I think it's such a beautiful highlight. Let me try it on my cheeks because I don't have any highlight on. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. And for $1, I mean, you can't beat that, right? Wow, it's a very blinding too. So if you can find this one at Dollar Tree, I would definitely recommend. It is so pretty. I think I went a little bit overboard with my highlight, but that's okay. We're gonna move on. I think this is such a pretty highlighter. I'm so excited that I picked it up. Sticking with makeup and makeup theme, I went ahead and picked these organization bins. They're like this plastic, clear plastic containers for storing makeup or storing things. So I went ahead and picked up 2. They were $1 each, of course. Unfortunately, I broke one, as you can see right here. But that's okay. They're gonna go in drawers anyways. I just like the little compartments, and for only $1, you cannot beat the price. I have a lot of these and I absolutely love them. Another little storage container that I picked up was this one. I definitely do not know what I'm gonna do with it, but I thought it was so cool because it's absolutely all clear, and the lid is clear as well, as you can see right here. So I thought it was a great little container. It's not too big and not too small, so I'm not sure what to store in here. Give me a idea down in the comments below. But I thought it was perfect because it's clear and you can really see through it and see what you have in there if you store it like in a drawer or something. So I went ahead and picked it up. But there's a bunch of awesome containers at the Dollar Tree. Definitely recommend, and for the $1 price point, you cannot beat it. Next up, I went ahead and picked up one of these mirrors. These are so cute. I usually use one of these on my videos here on YouTube when I'm filming like a get ready with me or like a testing new makeup products video. I have a white one of these, and I saw this one in lime green and I fell in love. I'm definitely looking for a pink one. I saw this color and I could not pass it up because they're very useful when you're filming. Had another color as well. I think they had a baby blue, but I definitely went with the lime green. I also picked up this chopper or scraper for the kitchen. Mama and I love to bake and love to cook together now. I never thought I would say those words, but hopefully I can bring some little recipes here and there into my channel very soon. But we needed one of these, and for $1, I mean, I know I say that a lot, but you cannot beat the price. I absolutely needed one of these and I went ahead and picked it up. And last but not least, I went ahead and picked up this little gadget, as you may say. This is just basically a body massager, but it feels super good. Like, tried it there at Dollar Tree and we're like, let's take it home because it feels amazing. So I went ahead and picked this up, just a random little thing there that caught my eye. So I was just shouting this out because it's really good. And that's about it, my friends. Thank you so much for being here today and for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you want to see that makeup video testing out Dollar Tree makeup down below in the comments section. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I appreciate you. I love you all, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.